The reason why sometimes you don't feel confident is you are forgetting, or maybe up to this point, you're not aware of your true identity. So, when I ask you, who are you? And you ask yourself, who am I? Can you quickly answer?
Please welcome Tony. I'm very happy to have her here.
In every voyage, we need clarity on direction and confidence in its anchor. Anchor that makes your home stable. When you don't have clarity, it's not easy to make your anchor stable. Challenges will not change. It's inevitable. Changes are happening. But the 3 C's, your conviction, the content that you choose, the people who you want to connect with matters. Your clarity of who you are. It will create that stable anchor for you to enjoy each moment. The best moms, the best wives are not the smartest, not the wisest, and not the most gifted. They are the most consistent. And consistency happens when you put things to action. Consistent with their clarity, consistent with their small acts, consistent with their image, consistent with their words, consistent with their commitments. We have to always remember, how do I want my kids, my husband, and the friends, the people around me, remember me? Without a plan, it's not fulfilling. It's not meaningful. But with a very clear legacy plan, you are able to actually say yes and no, how you want to be remembered. 3 C's that will create that lasting, impactful legacy. First is your conviction, second is your content, and third is your connection. First, you will not have strong conviction when there's no clarity of who you are. Lack of clarity with who you are will lead you to lack and shakable conviction. But with clarity of who you are will lead you to that conviction. Conviction first, or clarity first, it will lead you to conviction, to also choose the people you follow, the content that you consume, because what you consume, you become.